Really gonna hate leaving this spot. When we're cruising, and maybe people who are in the US don't realize it, but when you find a great grocery store with very little people on an island and very few cruisers in that spot, it is amazing. And here on Long Island, this grocery store is one of the best grocery stores we've encountered in the Bahamas. I mean, it's probably not quite as nice as, say, Solomon's Fresh Market in Nassau, um, but and not quite as good as maybe Maxwell's was in Marsh Harbor, but it's really well stocked, and the prices are not that bad. It's actually one of the most cost effective or priced effective for cruisers. You know, grocery store I found in the Bahamas. Usually things are twice the cost, it seems, as what they are at this grocery store. So it's excellent. But it's really just a relaxed island too. People are really friendly. It's just the weather's been great. I got this nice little spot to sit in the shade. This dinghy over here. It's got some good restaurants with reasonable prices at those restaurants. It's just a nice, nice place. Love Long Island.